Hello everyone and welcome to a new video tutorial with GretaWings. Today we will continue making another accessory, the hair for our Cuqui Sophia. If you haven't seen the previous videos yet for this project, in the description below you can find a playlist about our Cuqui Greta. I will continue using the same yarn, Symphonia brand yarn, with 2.5 millimeters hook. We need wool needle, scissor, and Velcro. The Velcro is up to you. You can put it or no, but it's very easy with the Velcro for the baby's play. All these materials and another materials you can find it in the description below to our favorite items on Amazon and also on our website GretaWings.com. Then again, if you haven't seen the base body, dress, shoes, everything, you can find all the details in the playlist about our Cookies Greta. Then I hope and you like this hair and you want to do it, and if it's like that, let's start. We will start making the slip knot, leaving off thread just for hide it. Then slip knot and 19 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then starting on the second chain from the hook and taking the back loops only, let's start 18 half double crochet, 1 in each chain that we have. The first half double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Then we already finished the first round. Now from round 2 to 14, 1 chain, turn the piece, and taking only the back loop, let's make 18 half double crochet again. Just taking the back loop, 1 half double crochet, 2, 3, just continue doing half double crochet until finish this round and repeat exactly the same until round 14. Again, 1 chain, turn, and 18 half double crochet. Continue repeating exactly the same. You need 14 rounds in total. Then I'm already finished the 14 round. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Then 1 chain just for secure. Cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for close now using a wool needle. Pay close attention and you can see how to close and make the form on this hair. We almost finished this. Then let's put the Velcro. Remember, it's up to you. This Velcro coming with the glue, but if you have another Velcro, for example like this one, just use the silicone glue or the glue that you prefer. This glue need like 15 minutes. After that will be ready, but we can put it on our cookie right now. I'm really love this. Also my baby love this, love to change for black, for gold, for cinnamon. She really loved that. I hope and you really like this project, and if it's like that and you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. I'm appreciated, and see you on the next video tutorial. Bye.